Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of mining website. So basically this is the latest version of mining website script and it's completely latest in market. So viewers, you can see the amazing look of this website and it is completely in a mobile app view. And here you can see also see the trading graphs and other things as well, and it has a very amazing look. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script on a very low price from market. And we will provide you complete support with script. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete websites. And if you need any type of website, we will build it for you. So viewers, you can see the amazing look and it has a very amazing look, and you can see it right here. Now this is in a mobile app view. So now let's log in to our user panel of this website. So when I click on login, it will redirect me to login page. So this is the login page of this website. Here I have to enter my username and password in order to log in. So I already created the account, so I am directly entering my username, and here I will enter my password. So I've entered these details. Now when I click on login, it will log me into my user panel. So here you can see the amazing look of its user panel. We have successfully logged into our user panel right here. And here you can see current balance. Here you can see uh, different banners right here. You can change them from here. Here you can see income, membership, start mining, apps option, news, YouTube tutorial, help center, about us section, and here you can see the graphs of trading, and here some other things as well. And you can also change these things from admin panel as well. So viewers, now here when we go to plans page, here you can see different plans. So here you can see VIP1, VIP2, VIP3, 4. As you can create as many as plans you want from admin panel. So you don't need to worry about the creating a plan. So you can create as many as plans you want. And now let's go to here is a telegram option as well. So let me show you, a user can join your telegram channel by clicking this option. Here is a dashboard option that I showed you before, and this is a complete dashboard of this website, and here is a profile option. So this is the dashboard of this website. And now here when I click on sidebar, here you can add balance by clicking plus option. Here's the analytics option. You can refer a friend. So let me click on refer a friend, and here is your referral link by clicking copying this, and you can refer any of your friend you want. So let's go back. So here is the option of add fund. So you can choose a payment gateway, auto or manual, and you can deposit funds using any of the gateway you want. So this is how you can deposit funds on the website. And let me show you. Here's a withdraw fund. You can withdraw funds. You can set up your profile. Here you can see all your transaction. You can contact the admin, and there is a about us section as well. So viewers, this is a complete user panel of this website. And now let's go to its admin panel, and let's see how its admin will looks like. And let me show you one more thing. And here is a start mining option. When you click on it, your mining will starts from here. So now let's go to its admin panel, and let's see how we can control the complete website from its admin panel. So viewers, here you can see that we are on our admin login page of this mining GPT website. Here we have to enter our username and password in order to log into our admin panel. So I'm entering my admin username, and here I have to enter my admin password. And when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. And you can see the amazing look of its admin panel. You can see your total users, total active users, email unverified users, mobile users, total deposits, all these things you can see right here. And it has a very amazing look, and you can also see the graphs of other things right here. And here admin can see all the notifications of registered user from here. So here admin can change its details. Now let's go to sidebar, and here admin can change the front end, notice board, sliding banner, everything admin want to change, admin can change it from here. So for example, admin want to change the sliding banner, and here you can see there are two sliding banners, and you can insert your own sliding banner from here. or you can edit the existing ones. So this is how you can change the sliding banners. Here you can change the notice board from here, so you can change these notice board details from here. And here are important links, fake reviews, about us section. You can edit all of them from here. Now let's go to referral commissions. From here you can set up different levels of commission from here. So you can see PTC view commission, plan subscription, mining plan subscription, deposit commission, all these things you can set it up from here. So let's go to subscription plan, and from here you can create a subscription plan. You can create as many as plans you want. So currently there are 5 VIP investment plans, and you can insert your own plans if you want. Just click on add new, and here you can insert up your own ads, VIP plans from here. So this is how you can insert plan. Let's go to manage users. Now when I go to active user, you can see all the users on the website from here. You can edit their details, you can add balances to their account by going to details, and here you can view all their details. You can add balance to their account. Whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. And here, so these are all the active user, email unverified. These are all the user related things. You can manage them from here. From payment gateway, you can manage the payment gateway, and you can add your own manual gateway or automatic gateway you want. Here admin can approve or reject the deposit request of user. Admin can go to pending request and approve them or reject them from here. Same cases with withdraw. Admin can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users from here. Here is a support ticket. Admin can view the support tickets of user. Here admin can view all the reports of site. So from general setting, basically admin can change the site name, site currency, time zone, registration bonus, default plans, fixed charges, all these things admin can manage it from here. So from system configuration, admin can turn on off different settings of the website from here. So admin can manage all these settings from this section. So from logo and favicon, admin can change the logo of this website and insert his own logo from here. Just click on select logo and upload the logo. From SEO manager, admin can manage the SEO of this website from here directly. Here is the KYC management, notification management, and other settings are here. Email settings are here. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. Now the most important thing is we are going to install this script on our hosting. So now let's go and let's install this script on our hosting, and I will show you how we can use this script and install it. So viewers, as you can see that I am on my Hostinger HPanel homepage, and you also have to log into your Hostinger HPanel, and after that you have to go to your file manager. So here you can see that there is a file manager option. I am going to my file manager, and it may take some time, and let's wait for it. And now go to your public HTML, and now I will install this script on our subdomain which is fancy.scriptsmasher.com, and here you can see that I've already uploaded the script. Now you just have to upload the script that I gave you. Now just to upload the script, just click over here. You can see there is an option of upload, and you have to click on it and upload the script, and the file will be appeared right here, same like this. And you can also see its size, which is 116.66 MB. And now just select this and just click on extract and extract it into the root directory. And here you can see that we have extracted successfully. Now viewers, let me tell you that if you buy it from us, we will give you a complete installation for free, so you don't need to worry about anything. So here you can see that our script has extracted successfully. And now after this extraction, now what you have to do is you have to go to your subdomain and you have to type your subdomain. So I'm going to my subdomain, and here you just have to click on /install after the link, and you have to install this script. So viewers, now here you can see that there is an option of I agree next step. Just click on it. So here you can see that we have to give all these permissions, and after giving these permissions, then we can continue. Now go to your folder, and here you go to core, go to bootstrap, and go give permission to your cache file. And now I'm giving all these permissions, all the stuff, and here go to storage and give permission to storage as well. Now we have to give some other permissions as well, which is of app permission, and here is debugger. Sorry, we don't have to give permission to debugger. And now just permission of frameworks, and there is a permission of logs as well. So after giving these permissions, all that stuff, now go to your installer window and now just click on refresh. So here you can see that all the requirements are passed. Now after this, just click on next step. So viewers, here we have to fill all the database details. So now let's create a database and its host, and then we will enter these details. Now go to your Hostinger Edge panel again, go to your databases. Here is a management option, go to it and just click mining, but let's create a database with the name GPT. Sorry, with this GPT. Now copy this, take a username, and here I will give my password of my database. Now just click on create. So database has created successfully. Here you can see that there is a name of database that we just created. Now just copy this name and go back to your installer window. Now here you have to enter the name for that database you created. Here is a username, here you have to enter the host, and here you have to enter the database password. Now here you have to enter your admin password. So I'm just entering a random admin details, and here you have to enter your email. So viewers, we have almost completed the process, and now when I click on install, now it will install my script. So viewers, here you can see that our script has installed successfully, and now our website is live. Now just click on first we have to delete the folder of install from here, and just go to files and just go to public HTML and go to your subdomain that you are using in, and here we have to delete this folder and also delete the script from here as well. And so now go back to your installer window, and here you have to click on go to website and activate. So here you can see that our site is live now. We have successfully created the site and our website is live now. So our site is live now. So here you can see that we have successfully created the site and site is live now, and it is in the mobile app view. So here you can see that there is some error that is showing right here. So viewers, there is a thing that we have to change. So most of the people have this script, but they don't know how to solve this error, and before solving this error you cannot use this script. So as in my demo review, you can see that that review is also on my same domain, and I have completely removed this thing from here, so you don't need to cut it again and again from here. And I will solve your error if you buy it from us, and we will give you a complete working script. So viewers, now I hope you understand all the things about this script, and if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and easily buy this script. If you need any other type of website such as hype investment website, mining website, all type of websites, scripts are available, and we also build the complete websites as well. So you can trust us, and you can trust us, and we will build the site you want. So viewers, thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your friends and other people who need this kind of websites.